Hello YouTube, this is Hiker01 with the first, let's say, mini review and a small hint, a small, let's say, hidden knowledge on the Victorinox Sentinel Black, product code 0.8413.3, which is a very simple yet very useful and beautiful knife from Victorinox. It only holds a single blade, which is made out of the classic Victorinox steel, whatever that may be. A lot of things have been discussed about this blade, but it's a beautiful and very useful knife which you can use as a camping gear or for everyday tasks, cutting tasks, and you can cut almost anything like butter. I think this blade is one of the very good ones out there. Okay, it also has a pair of tweezers, which is known. Okay, and the common toothpick, which all Victorinox knives hold almost. Okay, so the little hint about the locking mechanism of this knife is the 90-degree position of this knife. There are many people that couldn't think of what this position really serves, and I think it serves safety. I'm not sure. You may respond with a video or text me or whatever about this. I think the 90-degree position serves a safety purpose, because when you are in the lock position and you push to the right to close, to fold the knife back, your index finger of the other hand is in the way, stands in the way, because you push. So if something goes wrong, you can shut the blade onto your index finger. So this intermediate lock position, the 90-degree position, is there for that purpose, so you won't make that accidental move. So from the lock position, you push to the right, you come to the 90-degree lock position. Okay, so my lock, let's say, where the knife stands there quite strong, and from there you can move your fingers away and finally close the blade with safety. That's all. Thank you very much for watching. This is the Victorinox Sentinel Black, a very useful and beautiful tool. Goodbye everyone.